My name's Matty. It's Matty Crayon time. Whoa, look. It's a 747. Yeah. And it used to fly with Qantas. Can you see that? On the side it says Qantas. Yeah, Qantas is an Australian airline and they fly people all over the world. And they used to fly this aeroplane. But they don't need it anymore. So they gave it to HARS. And you can come to HARS and you can see the 747 if you come here. Do you want to look at the 747 today? Yeah, let's look at it. Wow, look, it's the 747. And can you see? Look, engines. Yeah, the 747 has 4 engines. Jet engines. Can you say that? Jet engines. Do you want to look at the engine? Let's go and look. Wow, look at this. It's a really big engine. This is a jet engine. A turbo fan engine. Can you say that? Turbo fan. Yeah, up the front here, that's the big fan that turns around and it sucks in all the air and the air goes all through the engine and around the outside of the engine. Do you want to have a look at the back? Let's look. Wow, look at this. When the aeroplane is flying, these doors are closed. But when the pilot lands the aeroplane, he puts the airplane into reverse thrust. Can you say that? Reverse thrust. Yeah. When that happens, these doors open like that. That's in the open position. And all of the thrust from the engine goes forward. And that helps the aeroplane slow down. That's called reverse thrust. And these are the reverse thrust doors. Whoa, look at this. This is the back of the jet engine. Can you see? All around the outside. Yeah, around the outside, that's called the bypass. Yeah. All the air from the big fan at the front goes around the outside here. That's called bypass thrust. And some of the other air comes into the center here, and this is called the core. Can you say that? The core. Yeah, the core of the jet engine. And can you see around the outside, there's little doors. Those are called blocker doors. Those blocker doors, they open up like this when it's put into reverse thrust. And that means that all the thrust is now bounced back in the opposite direction. Yeah, that's how the plane slows down when it lands. This is the back of the jet engine. Whoa, look at this. This is the landing gear. You need landing gear to be able to put the aeroplane on the ground. And also, you need landing gear to slow down. So, the reverse thrust, that slows the aeroplane down. And also, brakes slow the aeroplane. Look, inside here, there are 4 disc brakes on each wheel. And there are 16 main wheels. Whoa, 16! That's a lot of wheels. So the aeroplane comes down, it touches down onto the runway, and all these wheels, they take all of the weight of the aeroplane. And then the pilot, he puts the brakes on, and all these brakes slow the aeroplane down. Whoa, look at this! This is where the landing gear goes. The wheels and the landing gear are so big, they need a big space to go when the aeroplane takes off. When the aeroplane takes off, the wheels lift up and they come into here. And this is called the gear well. Yeah, can you say that? A gear well. It's a big space where all the landing gear goes. Whoa, the 747 is so big. Whoa, do you know what this is? This is a refueling truck. Can you say that? Let's do it together. Refueling truck. Yeah, a refueling truck is how they put the fuel into the aeroplane. And a 747 has lots of fuel tanks. All of the fuel for the aeroplane is underground at the airport. And look, this thing here, that goes into a big pipe that's underground. Whoa, look, I'm standing on a small stepladder because the wings of the 747 are so high off the ground. The fuel operator, he stands on here and he gets the pipes and he plugs them right here. Can you see that? That's the valves where he puts the fuel line into the wing, and then he pumps all the fuel into the aeroplane, and the aeroplane can fly all over the world. Yeah, that's where the aeroplane is refueled. Cool. Now it's time to go inside the aeroplane. Let's go. It's Cabin Manager Ann Maree.
I'm aboard, Matty. May I get your ticket?
Oh, no! A ticket?
Yes, I'm afraid you can't fly our lovely 747 unless you have a ticket, Matty Crayon.
I forgot my ticket. Oh, I know. Can I give you a secret password? Oh, a secret password is always good. I'll whisper it to you.
Perfect, Matty Crayon. You may now come on board and welcome us.
Let's go, everybody. Let's have a look on board the 747.
Welcome to your seat, Matty Crayon.
Oh, thanks, Ann Maree.
Your seat is 23 and you're in business class today.
Wow, I'm in business class. I must have got an upgrade.
Yes, you did, Matty Crayon.
That's cool. I like business class.
Take your seat, Matty.
Okay.
There we are.
Wow.
Now, don't forget to put your seatbelt on first.
Oh, okay.
Crayon.
Put it together.
When we're going to have something to eat,
Yep.
on the table out.
Oh, look at this.
Then we'll serve you a lovely meal there.
It's my table.
And Matty, would you like to watch some television?
Oh, yeah. I want to watch some television. Oh, look at that.
This is the television screen, Matty. A nice big television screen.
Ah, that's cool.
And next to you, Matty, is the remote control.
Oh, look at this. Wow.
So now
It's
you
the
can
remote
watch
control.
yourself on television.
Oh, it looks like a telephone too.
Yes, it's a telephone as well.
Back when this aeroplane used to fly, you could make telephone calls as well. That's cool. Wow, look, you can play games as well.
You're going to be very busy, Matty Crayon.
We can play games. Well, thank you very much, Ann Maree.
It's a pleasure, Matty. We hope you enjoy your flight.
Oh, hi, Ann Maree.
Matty, how are you going here?
Yeah, I'm very good. I finished my movie and now I'm tired.
Very tired.
Yeah.
Well, we can now lay the seat out for you and you can have a nice sleep.
Oh, I can sleep on the aeroplane.
So we press the button here
Yep.
and we lay the seat down flat.
Well, look, everybody. The seat is coming out.
Goes right down flat like those comfortable beds you have at home. There. Now we need a mattress.
Oh, look. It's a mattress. Let's put the mattress onto the bed. Oh, and where is my pillow?
Here it is.
Oh, cool. That's excellent. It's a pillow. It magically appeared. Let's put that on my bed too.
Now you can lie down and have a lovely sleep, Matty Crayon.
Oh, thank you, Ann Maree. It's time to sleep on the 747.
Good night, Matty.
Good
See
night.
you in the morning.
Thank you. Bye.
Matty Crayon,
Oh.
it's time to wake up. You need to see the rest of the aeroplane.
Oh, we've got to look at the rest of the aeroplane.
Yes, you do, Matty Crayon.
Okay, let's get up. Look, everybody. This is an economy seat. Can you say that? Economy seat. Yeah, you don't pay as much for economy seat, and they don't make a bed out of these. But you get to put your feet up a little bit, especially here, because look, this is one of the big doors that opens up, and so you've got a lot of space here. Wow, this is cool. Economy seats on the 747. Wow, look at this. This is one of the cabin crew seating areas. When the aeroplane is coming to land or when it's taking off, the cabin crew sit here. They pull this down and they've got a seat. And they can sit in here and they put their seat belts on and they can make sure everybody is safe. And also, they can talk to everybody on the aeroplane. The aeroplane has its own telephone system. If you press a number on here, you can talk to another cabin crew at the back. Or you can talk to another cabin crew at the front. Or we can call the pilot. Hey, Mr. Pilot, can we go to America? Yeah? Okay, Let's go. The aeroplane has everything. The aeroplane has its own power system. It's like a little city. Yeah, power, electricity, toilets, telephones. It's really cool. 747, my favourite aeroplane. I met somebody on the 747. This is Charlie. Hi, Charlie.
Hi.
Charlie's having a tour of the 747. And where are we going now?
Upstairs.
We're going upstairs. Yeah, we're going to the crew rest area, the cabin crew rest area. It's up some very steep stairs. Shall we go?
Yes.
Let's go. Hey, look, we're in the crew rest area. This is at the back of the aeroplane, and you have to climb some really steep stairs to get here. Hey, Ann Maree, how many beds are in here?
8, Matty Crayon.
Oh, there's 8 beds for the crew. And so when do they come to sleep?
They come to sleep after they finish their duties in the cabin. So we leave half the crew in the cabin to take care of our passengers, and the others come up to have a well-deserved break.
You told me there's a secret escape hatch. Is that right?
There is, Matty Crayon. Not many people know about that.
Yeah. So it's right behind you, isn't it, Charlie?
Yes.
Wow. Can you show me where it is?
Yes. It's right under there.
Oh, wow. It's right under there. Ann Maree, can you tell us how they get out?
So Matty Crayon, what we do is we pull this latch out, we pull this bunk forward, and then we push down on the panel there, and you pop out in the cabin.
Wow, that's really cool.
It's now time to see the flight deck upstairs.
Oh, I like the flight deck.
Yes, and Captain Dave is here to show you the flight deck.
Hello, Matty.
Oh, it's Captain
Welcome
Dave.
aboard.
Thank you, Ann Maree.
Come on upstairs.
Okay, let's go. Oh, wow, the flight deck is upstairs. Let's go up to the top of the 747. Let's go. Wow, look at this. This is the upper deck of the 747. The upper deck always has business or first class passengers. They were the same seats that we saw when Matty Crayon was having a sleep downstairs. Over 1,560 747s were made by the company Boeing. When Matty Crayon was a little boy, he lived in England. That's where England is. And he came to Australia in a 747. Hey everybody, look, we're in the cockpit of the 747. Can you say that? Cockpit. Yeah, that's where the pilots sit and they fly the aeroplane. The cockpit has enough room for 4 pilots. 2 of them sit at the back, and the captain, he sits in the left-hand side, and the co-pilot, or what we call the first officer, he sits here, where I'm sitting. And this is Captain Bob. Hi, Captain Bob.
Hi. Hey, everyone.
Captain Bob used to fly this 747, is that right?
That's correct. Would you like to be the captain?
Oh, I'd like to be the captain, yes. Let's put Matty Crayon's hat here. Wow.
There you go. Look at that.
I'm the captain of the 747. Hey, Captain Bob, can you tell me about the different parts of the 747?
The basic controls, which we have here,
Yep.
as conventional ones. When you turn to the left or the right, the
Yep.
controls. Push it forward and the nose will go down, pull it back. And then you've got rudder pedals down on the bottom.
Oh yeah, look, there's rudder pedals here.
Yep.
So these are the engine controls.
You can fly 4 engines. You can fly on 3 engines. You can actually fly on 2 engines.
Wow,
You can actually fly on 1 engine.
wow,
Yeah, even at maximum weight,
wow.
which is a bit of a thing, but you normally don't want to do that. And they're so reliable.
Yeah.
I've in 47 years of flying, I've never seen an engine fail. There's
Yeah.
been a few that have happened,
Yeah.
but I've never had one. They're that reliable.
Hey, Captain Bob, what are all of these?
Right, the old aircraft used to have a dial for every instrument,
That's right.
like your airspeed, your altimeter, your vertical speed, your compass, that sort of thing. Whereas here we've got our screens, and all that information is on the one screen.
Yeah.
The only analogue instrument we've got is a clock. One there,
Yep.
and a compass up here.
Wow, that's cool.
So you've got all your flying instruments on that screen, and this is all your navigation. So the triangle
Yep.
That's actually the aircraft, and we've got a track loaded from Sydney to Melbourne.
Yep.
And we're actually over Wollongong. We can expand or the scale of the so you can see where you are, where all the other airports are. You can see other aircraft on there.
Wow.
We'll have weather that comes up. If there's thunderstorms, they'll come up on the screen.
Yep.
Move down. So that's called your nav display.
That's your navigation display. And I think this one is called the primary flight display.
Flight display.
Yeah.
And if you have a problem with one screen, you can just select it, and that puts the information there, and you think, well, I want the nav display, so that goes down there.
So if I switch one of these over here,
same there.
I can
You
change
do that.
this to here.
Yeah. You go there.
Wow, look at that.
The next one.
Change
do
this
that.
one.
Yeah. Over there, you put the nav display down here.
So these buttons, they make sure what is being displayed on here. So
Yeah.
let's put this over here.
Yeah.
Ding.
Yeah.
Look at that.
There we go.
Isn't it? If you come to HARS, you can also have a look here at the cockpit of the 747.
Hey, Matty Crayon.